Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a nominated supervisor or a user with the incident report user role access to approve an incident report can decline an incident report record. To do this, the user will log in, and on the incident report where it says pending approval, they can click on the three dots to review the report. The user will review the report, and at this stage it's still not editable. If they are not happy with the report and require further updates to be made to this incident report, the user can click decline. They can then add in their comments in relation to why this report was declined and click submit. The status of this incident report has now been updated to declined, and over on Kidsoft, under the alert widget, you will then see that the incident report is declined. When clicking on that alert, it will take you to the incident report screen. On the status of the declined, there is a little speech bubble. The user can click on that to view the reason why this report was declined, and clicking on the three dots, they can also view the comments. The only users that can edit and update this report are any users that have the approval to the user role to approve those incident reports, or the actual creator, the reporter of the incident report itself. Logging back in as the user that created this original report, the user can see again and view those comments as to why that report was declined. They can either click here to edit the report, or they can click on the three dots and click update report. So when clicking one of these options, the report now becomes editable again. They can add in those additional information or edit any of the information that was already on that report. Click through the pages. Now, any report that has been signed already and has been edited, they will be required to re-sign the incident report. So you can see that this user now has to select their position and role again. They'll have to re-sign. Again, the witness, if there was any witnesses, they will have to re-sign the report. And the user can now click save and request review again, which will then go back to the nominated supervisor, those users that have the user role access to approve the incident report. Logging back in as the user with the approval access, clicking on the pending approval report to review the report again. This user is now happy with this report. They will now sign off on this report and can now click save and approve. And again, it gives you an additional layer to approve and notification to ensure that you are aware that this report cannot be edited once it has been approved. So now that status is updated to approved, which means it's now ready for that guardian to sign this incident report. Jumping back over into Kidsoft, the incident report alert has been updated to now list that record under approved. For any further information on declined incident reports in Konnect, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.